What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to set up auto reply on Facebook and Instagram. So without further ado, the first thing, go to Meta Business Suite on your computer. Log in using the Facebook account that manages your page or Instagram account and make sure the correct page or business is selected at the top. Now in the left-hand menu, click Automations. This section lets you create automatic replies, FAQs, and message rules. Look for instant reply, then toggle it on. Click the edit button to customize the message, and instant reply is sent automatically when someone messages your page for the first time or messages you outside business hours. Just select Messenger, Instagram, or both, and this will allow the same auto reply to work across platforms. Type the message you want people to receive automatically, for example, "Thanks for messaging us." Just click Preview in Messenger to see how auto reply will look to users. This will help you to check formatting and wording before saving. Once you're happy with the message, click Save and your auto reply is now active. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.